हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम। बहुत टाइम के बाद ये वीडियो मैं बना रही हूँ। आई हैड बीन अ लिटिल caught up and also a little lazy, but now there have been a lot of people asking me about the dryer. It's been a month, over a month that I'm using the dryer, and I thought it is a nice time to do a small review and touch upon a little bit of अदर पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू द ड्रायर। तो आज मैं ड्रायर के बारे में कुछ पॉइंट्स आपको टचअप करूँगी, जैसे कि एनर्जी कंजम्पशन और हीटिंग अप और मेरा फेवरेट मोड। सो ये थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें आज हम देखेंगे। प्लस big thank you to all of you for watching my videos, liking them, and special thanks to those who are subscribing to my channel. So if you haven't already, subscribe, like and share it with your friends. So let's start with today's video. So today I don't really have a big laundry done, but my cousin is going back to her hostel. She was here for a couple of days और यहाँ पर बहुत बारिश हो रही है, सुखाने के लिए जगह नहीं है, कपड़े सूख नहीं रहे हैं। तो ऑब्वियसली उसके पास लिटरली बैग फुल ऑफ क्लोथ्स हैं जो उसने धो लिए हैं और अब वो उसे वापस हॉस्टल लेकर जाने हैं और सूख नहीं रहे हैं। तो आज मैं ट्रायल करने वाली हूँ, क्या वो आज रात को ये कपड़े लेकर जा सकती है। लेट्स सी। और आई कैन सी उसने कुछ कपड़े ऑलरेडी ड्रायर में डाल दिए हैं, कुछ चादरें ऑलरेडी डली हुई हैं ड्रायर में, और अब मैं इस बैग में से कुछ कपड़े ड्रायर में डालूंगी एंड देन वील मूव फॉरवर्ड विद द वीडियो। So here is her bag load of laundry. Before you start, always make sure that you had cleared your previous lint. It is advisable that you do it after every wash, otherwise it might catch fire. So make sure the lint is clean. So mine is clear. I am putting all the laundry I have put back into it. अब इसको हम बंद करेंगे. And now to check the energy consumption, I use a smart plug. I use a Wipro smart plug that you can also use, and if you want to see how it works and the other details about the Wipro smart plug, you can see this video. The link is here. The link is also in the description box, so go and check it. Also, the second point is the temperature of the room. In this wall clock you can see the temperature right now. It says 28.5 degree. We'll see after or through the cycle when it is running how the temperature changes. Right now I'm going to switch it on and then I'll show in my phone app how much energy consumption this machine is doing. यहाँ से I'll just do a switch on first. ये मेरा स्मार्ट प्लग आ चुका है इसमें। ये मेरे ऐप में अभी दिखा रहा है कि पावर ऑन है, क्योंकि हमने अभी प्लग ऑन किया है, बट ऑब्वियसली मशीन अभी ऑन नहीं हुआ है। हम इलेक्ट्रिक में जाएंगे तो आज का अभी तक का कंजम्पशन दिखा रहा है 0। एक बार मशीन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, साइकिल स्टार्ट हो जाने के बाद वील सी हाउ मच it has consumed. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि this is showing the earlier unit consumption, and I have put this smart plug here only for the past 2 months I think on my washing machine and dryer. So this plug is connected for washing machine and dryer, and you can see around 12.42 in September, 19.33 in August is the unit consumption for washing machine and dryer together. तो आज हम लोग सिर्फ ड्रायर अभी चलाएंगे और ड्रायर का यूनिट कंजम्पशन देखेंगे। मैंने पावर ऑन करके आप ऑन ऑफ का बटन दबाएंगे। यूजुअली मैं कबर्ड कॉटन कबर्ड ड्राई जो कि डिफ़ॉल्ट साइकिल है वही चलाती हूँ, बट इन हेवी मानसून्स जब ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत हाई है उस टाइम समटाइम्स दिस फंक्शन डज नॉट वर्क वेल ऑन द इलास्टिक्स और ऑन वेरी थिक क्लॉथ. तो उस टाइम पे मैं या तो कॉटन्स एक्स्ट्रा ड्राई या कॉटन्स कवर ड्राई प्लस, इन दोनों को अभी मैंने यूज़ किया है. और जब मैं इन दोनों को यूज़ करती हूँ तब कपड़े कम्प्लीटली ड्राई निकलते हैं. नॉट इवन अ सिंगल इलास्टिक, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल पॉइंट इज़ वेट. बट आज मैं फिर से कॉटन्स कवर ड्राई ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इसके एंड में मोस्टली कपड़े पूरी तरह ड्राई निकलते हैं, बट देर आर पॉइंट्स जैसे कि आपका छोटा सा इलास्टिक, वेस्ट इलास्टिक या फिर वेरी थिक मटेरियल जो आपके क्लॉथ का रहेगा, या फिर पॉकेट्स जो रहेंगे, इन केस आपने कपड़े सीधे के सीधे डाल दिए हैं, सो द पॉकेट्स माइट रिमेन अ लिटिल बिट वेट. इट्स नॉट वेरी वेट, इट्स लिटिल बिट वेट. उसको आप 15-20 मिनट ऑल्सो इफ़ यू कीप ऑन अ चेयर और समथिंग इट विल ड्राई. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना डू कॉटन्स कवर ड्राई टुडे. It says 3 hours 17 minutes. On all the times that I have used this, whatever time it says, exact वो time कभी नहीं लिया है. Every time it finishes the cycle in around 1.5 hours because it customizes your cycle according to the wetness of the clothes. अगर clothes सूख गए हैं so it will stop the cycle. It will complete the cycle faster. So now I'm going to start this. I just have to put the start pause button. It has started already. Now we can see the unit consumption here. Now you can see it is consuming 175 watt, and this is going to change as per the cycle. End में we'll see how much total from zero it has consumed. That we'll see at the end of the cycle. And also we'll see the change in the temperature of the room. Also we can check the time. The time is 4:10. The cycle has said कि it will take 3 hours 17 minutes. But obviously it is going to customize and it is going to make the process faster depending on the wetness of the clothes. So I'll also check the time once the cycle finishes. We'll check the time, we'll check the temperature, and we'll check the unit consumption. See you after the cycle finishes. Hello all, I'm back. It says 22 minutes and you can see it is saying 22 minutes left. The time right now is 5:46. We started at 4:10. It is 5:46 and the temperature you can see is 30.6 degree. We started at around 28 point something. So yes, the room has heated up by 2 degrees and this has not really taken 3 hours 17 minutes. It is going to end in the next 15-20 minutes. Back and you can see that it has almost finished. It's just going to say 0 now. So we started at 4:10 and now it is 6:06. So it has almost taken 2 hours. A little less than 2 hours, but almost 2 hours. I think it has sensed a little bit of wet cloth somewhere, so it has increased the time again to 3 minutes. I think we'll have to wait for 3 more minutes to see whatever wet clothes it has found out and let it finish. Meanwhile, I'll show you how much units it has consumed. So today it has consumed a complete of 1 unit. Usually it consumes 0.7 unit and the cycle also finishes in around 1.5 to maximum 1 hour 45 minutes. But today maybe because it is raining heavily and the atmosphere is very humid, so probably the clothes have taken longer time to dry up. It has taken almost 2 hours to finish the complete cycle. So I'll show you the clothes once they have once the cycle gets over. And there have been some questions about how I zeroed in on Voltas Beko, and I've already told you in my earlier video. The link is here, plus there are links in the description box about the installation and details about the functioning of this washing machine. Both the videos, the links are there in the description box. Basically, it was because of the heat pump technology, which consumes less electricity than the usual dryers. So if you really want to know more about it, go back to my videos and check them out. Right now I'm waiting for the 1 to become 0, and I'll open and show you how dry the clothes are. There you are, the cycle ends. As usual, it will prompt you for emptying this, which we are not using, so we don't have to worry about this thing. And you have to also clean the lint. The program ends here. Now I'll show you the final reading. The final reading is 1 unit, as you can see. And the end time is at 6:08, which is almost 2 hours it took. The temperature has gone up by almost 2 degrees. It is 30.2 now. Let's open and check. There you are. The clothes look dry. They were very wet, but they're all dry now. I'm not going to take out and show you all the clothes, but there's a small observation that I have done. Most of the times when the clothes come out from the dryer, they are more crushed and बहुत ही सिकुड़े हुए होते हैं. So you might need ironing. Today for some reason they are coming out nice and plain, but most of the times they do come out very crushed. I am going to try a new technique next time when I put my clothes into the dryer. For now, you can see they are all dry. Even the waist elastic is completely dry. I'm just folding them and I'm gonna put them back nicely and return it to my cousin. I hope she takes a cab back to the hostel tonight. Till then, you guys have a nice time, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Do keep sending me your comments. I just love hearing it from you guys. I try my level best to reply to most of the comments that I can. Sometimes I do miss out on some comments, but I will try my best to gear up on that stream. Also, I'll try to put more videos sooner than this time. See you all. Thank you. Take care.